here.
come up and say a couple words.
Everybody, thank you for being here. I am the vice chair of the CAP board and had the pleasure through business and my position as a director of the GFL to get introduced to Kevin first through business dealings, and then I met Ron, and as we have it here, we are today. 2021, we had provided over 1,700 pieces of equipment at no charge to cancer patients throughout the area we service, which represented over $380,000 in savings to those individuals. People really don't understand the cost impact cancer can have on one until you're there, and the services that we provide, we're very thankful that we can take some of that financial burden off of those individuals.
No, it's fantastic to be here today in the support of all of you, as well as Kevin, Greg, Bryce, and those that made it possible, that brought the cause to us. So we are honored to be here today in support of the Cancer Assistance Program and all those whose lives have been touched by the love, support, and generosity of your programs. On behalf of Fame Recycling, thank you for continuing your support throughout the community and focusing your compassion on the individuals and families that are affected by cancer. As an organization and as an individual who has also been affected by cancer through my life, being a part of this wonderful community, we are proud to be part of the fundraising effort. We are honored to be given the opportunity to help, support, and educate those who have been touched by cancer through the incredible programs and services of CAP. So thank you very much, and I'm going to flip this around. Okay.
Yeah.
I will extend my appreciation and gratitude to the team at AIM for this generous gift and the additional support of our signature events. The equipment loan program here at CAP would not exist if it weren't for the dedication of our staff equipment technician, his team of 11 dedicated equipment volunteers, and 4 administrative volunteers. I want to personally recognize the work of Jim Foreman, our equipment technician. Each day goes above and beyond to ensure that equipment is ready for when a client is in need.
Yeah. And go.